Hi, I'm Megan from the Megan Scott Real Estate team, and I am here at our fantastic new listing at 511 Ettridge Court in the desirable community of Mineola. Welcome to this spectacular turnkey detached bungalow nestled in a high-demand area and one of the most desirable locations of Mineola, with a premium pie-shaped lot and a tranquil outdoor space. Highlights of this home is the stunning 2021 makeover top to bottom. The basement has a separate side entrance with plenty of extra living space and is ideal for a potential nanny suite or multi-generational living. Upon entering, you will be welcomed with a large foyer and closet. The main floor features a renovated eat-in chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, gas stove top, 2 built-in ovens, farmhouse sink, backsplash, and a waterfall island draped in quartz. A bright open concept living and dining area is ideal for entertaining. Light engineered hardwood floors, crown molding, and pot lights throughout the main and lower levels. Modern finishes are everywhere you look. As we proceed down the hall, you will encounter the second renovated bathroom, followed by a spacious primary bedroom with views of the backyard. It includes an elegant ensuite featuring heated floors. All additional bedrooms are generously sized, offering ample comfort and functionality. The lower level features a separate side entrance. You are greeted with an open concept kitchen and a cozy living room with surround sound and a gas fireplace. The multi-purpose room can be used for a gym, games room, or a dining area. There is a spacious bedroom with a large closet, a spacious office with a wood-burning fireplace, and a stunning 4-piece bathroom that includes heated floors, separate tub, and walk-in shower. Lastly, the lower level is complete with a cold cellar as well as an oversized laundry room and storage area. This basement is a haven of extra living space. Imagine walking out every day to this dreamy and private outdoor space with a premium pie-shaped lot. You will see stunning landscaping, mature trees, gazebo, and outdoor kitchen pergola for entertaining. Gather around the fire pit and the heated pool with detailed armor stone. You must see this for yourself and you won't be disappointed. You have all the amenities you need right at your doorstep. Close to top-rated schools, walk to parks, shopping, and port credit with convenient access to highways QEW and the 427, public transit, Port Credit Go, and Long Branch Go stations. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and for more information on this home, please visit meganscottteam.com or give us a call at 647-232-7743.